This business made over $30,000 in a month in pure passive income. Another made over $21,000 in the same period, running on complete autopilot. A third business generated over $20,000 in a month after a single setup. Many similar businesses can be started for free today, each capable of earning over $370 daily in passive income without requiring any initial investment, skills, or experience. The first step is to visit a website showcasing these businesses. For example, one business selling t-shirt and mug designs created with free AI tools has sold over 40,000 items. With an average price of $25 per design, they have already earned over $1 million. These businesses leverage AI to create unique designs and sell them on platforms like Etsy, making it accessible to anyone worldwide. This model is known as a print-on-demand business. It works like dropshipping, where you create designs using AI tools and a supplier, such as Printify, provides the white label products. These products can range from t-shirts and pillows to mugs and posters, all customizable with your designs. Printify integrates seamlessly with Etsy, simplifying the entire process. You only need to select the products you want to sell, apply your designs, and list them on Etsy. Printify handles the printing and shipping when an order is placed, allowing you to earn passive income with minimal effort. This business model is particularly appealing because it removes the need for inventory management or large upfront costs. All you need is creativity and a basic understanding of the AI tools available to design your products. For more relevant content, comment your country name below. This allows for tailored advice and examples in future videos, helping you start and succeed in your own print-on-demand business. To start a successful online business with zero investment, you can use platforms like Etsy and suppliers like Printify. Begin by selecting products such as mugs, t-shirts, or hoodies and upload your custom designs, whether they are images, text, or AI-generated creations. List these items for sale on your Etsy shop, ensuring they have appealing mock-ups. Etsy, with its 450 million monthly visitors, can drive significant traffic to your shop. When a customer places an order, Printify handles the printing and shipping directly to the customer, eliminating the need for a physical location, website, or advertising. One example of success is Strictly Business Mugs, which specializes in selling mugs with motivational and business-related quotes. Their average price is $16.25. They have sold over 48,600 mugs, generating over $700,000 in revenue. This demonstrates the potential of a simple, focused product line. Similarly, another shop called 22nd of October sells hoodies and t-shirts priced between $25 and $30. With over 4,900 units sold, they have amassed over $1 million in revenue, showcasing the high earning potential of print-on-demand businesses. To start your own Etsy shop, follow the steps provided in the video, click the second link in the video description or the pinned comment to create your Etsy store for free. For a limited time, you can get 40 free listings by signing up with a new Gmail account. This will give you a head start without any upfront costs. Setting up your shop involves creating appealing designs and listing them on Etsy. With the integrated services of Printify, you can easily manage orders and ensure quality products are delivered to your customers. This approach allows you to focus on creating designs and growing your business without worrying about inventory or shipping logistics. The print-on-demand model is ideal for anyone looking to generate passive income online. It requires minimal effort after the initial setup, as Printify and Etsy handle the operational aspects. By leveraging the large customer base of Etsy and the seamless fulfillment process of Printify, you can create a sustainable and profitable business. Starting a print-on-demand business on Etsy using Printify is a cost-effective and straightforward way to make money online. By following the outlined steps, you can tap into a lucrative market with high potential for passive income, allowing you to focus on creativity and marketing while the logistics are handled for you. To set up your Etsy shop and start making money online with a print-on-demand business, follow these steps. First, click the second link in the video description or the pinned comment to create your Etsy account. This will give you 40 free listings. Next, click the first link to create a Printify account. Printify integrates seamlessly with Etsy, allowing you to connect your shop and start selling quickly. Once your Etsy shop and Printify account are connected, the next step is to create attractive designs using free AI image generation tools. Designs that sell well on Etsy include apple watercolor paintings, cactus images, banana paintings, and mushroom paintings on mugs. These designs are easy to create and can quickly generate sales. One of the best free AI image generators is Gcraft. Simply enter a command and it will create stunning images for you. Another excellent tool is Leonardo.ai, which generates images based on prompts. For example, you can write cactus in the style of watercolor painting on a white background and it will generate multiple images. You can choose from these images for your mug designs. When using Leonardo.ai, you can select the number of images to generate, with 8 being the optimal number. Each image generated deducts points from your account, but you will have a variety of options to choose from. Once you have your image, you can apply different effects to enhance it. By following these steps, you can quickly set up your Etsy shop and start earning money online. The combination of Etsy's large customer base and Printify's seamless integration makes it easy to manage orders and fulfill them efficiently. This business model allows you to focus on creating unique designs and marketing your products while Printify handles the logistics. To start your print-on-demand business with Printify and Etsy, follow these steps. Use the link provided in the video description and pinned comment to create your Printify account. Once logged in, select Catalog, then choose Mugs to see various designs. Pick a best-selling mug design and click Start Designing to upload your designs to Printify. Using AI-generated images, such as those from Gencraft or Leonardo.ai, you can create stunning designs. You can also use Printify's AI image generator, adjust your uploaded designs on the mug, and you can copy and position multiple designs as needed, or preview your design to see how it looks on the mug. If satisfied, save the product to your Printify account, where it will be listed under My Products. Creating designs involves selecting and customizing images to fit your products. You can adjust the designs, preview them, and save them on Printify. This platform simplifies creating and selling custom designed products without any initial investment. Connect your Printify account to your Etsy shop to start selling. Once connected, Etsy handles customer traffic and Printify manages printing and shipping. This integration allows you to focus on creating appealing designs and marketing your products. Printify's seamless integration with Etsy and user-friendly design tools make it an ideal platform for starting a print-on-demand business. You can generate passive income quickly by leveraging AI tools and the large customer base of Etsy. By following these steps, you can replicate the success of other shops and start making money within a few months. In summary, use the links in the video description to set up your Printify and Etsy accounts. Create and upload designs using free AI tools, customize them on Printify, and start selling through Etsy. This straightforward process allows you to build a profitable business with minimal effort and no upfront costs.